Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. So I'm so super excited. It's a beautiful day here in Connecticut. It's like 50 degrees. We have been in and not been able to like open the windows and get the fresh air in. So it's a good day with that. And then I get my HelloFresh box, which made it even better. Guys, this is such a good deal. Even if you only get this box one time and then cancel the subscription, this is such a good deal. All of this food, these 3 meals for 2 people, only $20 and free shipping. It is normally $60, but if you use my referral code in the description box below, you can get 3 meals for $20. Right? Such a good deal. All natural, organic as much as they possibly can. When I tell you they give you everything you need, literally everything. Look at how cute. The little milk. Let me tell you the meals that I picked out. Now, you get to pick out the meals that you want to get, and there is a vegan option. There are healthy options. So it is totally customizable to what you want to get out of the meals. I think there's 12 meals that you can pick from each week, so you can customize it. The first one that I got is the Swedish meatloaves, and I've had this one before, and what I will tell you is, and I've had a couple people make this mistake when they order the box, do not use all of the mix. It is strong. Like any of the seasonings they give you, like you'll see, let me show you, let's see. Like the taco spice blend, yes, you could use all of that. But when they give you like dried up thyme, like you're not going to use, like in this one meal, they gave me 2 containers of cilantro. For me personally, I just don't use all of their dry packets, and I end up not using all of their fresh herbs. So that's just a preference. Just like this would be a lot of garlic in one meal. They're really good about giving you extra, which I love. So the first meal is the Swedish meatloaf with the mashed potatoes, roasted carrots, and currant jam. Guys, this jam is the bomb. I'm not a jam person. Like, it's not like something I crave. So good. Anytime they have like pork with jam on it, the apricot jam, so good. So they literally give you everything. The yellow onion, the potatoes, the cute little slice of bread, the carrots, all the seasonings. You will absolutely need nothing except your pots and pans. That's it. They give you the meat, and everything is packed nice and cold. It has a ice pack on the bottom. All the material for the box is recyclable, so that's awesome. This is my second meal. Yeah, so good, right? So good. And let me show you really quick on the back. They make it really simple. 6 steps. That easy. Tells you exactly what you're going to need, like the baking sheet, the bowls, all of that. Tells you the ingredients. On the front here, shows you the ingredients that you're going to get. Calories, how long it takes, prep time. You can also customize this if you are somebody who's a really good cook and you want to customize it to your preference. You can do that as well. Everything's falling on me. Look at how cute, these little grape tomatoes. Oh my God, so cute. The ranch steak, the peppers. I mean, these peppers, I mean, they're giving you good quality produce, which I love. I cannot find really nice things like this in the area that I live in, to be completely honest. So this might be a great option for you guys, depending on too. So if it's normally $60 for 3 meals for 2 people, that might be cost effective for you if you're eating out often, or if you live in a city where produce is really expensive, because this is all natural organic items. They don't use antibiotics in their meat. It's all good stuff. They give you everything. Garlic, the lime, literally everything you could possibly need. My third meal is the pineapple poblano beef tacos. Now this one I've never tried before, so I'm kind of excited about it. And normally I'm like, I wouldn't just order tacos from like, I mean, I make tacos at home, right? That's easy. But this is like yummy goodness that I wouldn't think to put together myself. So I thought that was a really good one. And I wanted a little something different to show you guys other than like meat and potatoes. I mean, yes, meat, but you know what I mean. Maybe something not as heavy. So they do have lots of options for you guys. If you guys want to see me make these meals, let me know in the comments. I'll post this right now. If I get enough people saying, yeah, cook us a meal, I'll definitely do it. But my referral code, again, is in the description. If you have any questions at all, just comment below, and I will try and answer them. There's always customer service available as well. If you start to place your order and you need help online, you can go to the right-hand corner, and there's somebody that'll be live, and you can talk to them. Or you can just call the 800 number, too. So I don't work for the company. This is not sponsored, but I do have a referral code. So I hope you guys order it. 20 bucks for this much food is crazy great deal. I don't want to take this video too long. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I am looking forward to making some yummy food.